If you're in the market for a garbage disposal that's pretty easy to install, or if you already have one that is set up for the 3-prong lock, which this one is, this is super easy. It just slips right in there. You turn it, lock it in place. So enough about that. It does come with your gasket, your drain if you are setting it up for the first time, and right here you have to pop that tab out to hook up your dishwasher so it drains into something. So overall construction, this is a plastic body. You do have a reset button here on the bottom. I like this because it's already pre-wired, so you just plug and play, good to go there from that standpoint. Inside metal, and yeah, it's exactly what one would think and hope for. It's lightweight, so it's pretty easy to kind of put in and install. And yeah, I'm a big fan of it. So if you're in the market for whatever reason, definitely give this one a look.